Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by provisioning a cloud Android instance that already runs Google Play. This is the only practical path on iOS. Sign up, verify your account, and select a session length or plan. Once done, open the provider in Safari or their iOS client and log in. Make sure your iPhone is on stable Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery, because streaming an Android session uses bandwidth and power. This gets you a virtual Android environment where Play Store functions as usual. Next, launch the virtual Android home and open Google Play within that streamed device. You must sign in with your Google account inside the remote session so Play Store syncs and shows purchases. Once signed in, search for apps, hit install, and allow permissions in the cloud environment. Make sure to monitor progress in the streamed display. Installation happens on the remote Android, not on iOS. Use the provider's controls to manage storage or reboot the virtual device if needed. Finally, launch installed apps inside the streamed Android and interact through the iPhone's touch or cursor emulation. Once done, you can keep the session active or close it. Apps remain on the cloud device. Make sure to adjust video quality and input settings for responsiveness. If an app won't launch, clear the Play Store cache in the virtual settings, re-log into your Google account, or restart the session. If problems persist, try a different cloud Android provider. Network and provider compatibility are the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.